And I designed this house in a very small footprint, but we were allowed to go up. We were allowed to make it a little higher. And it is literally a small version of what our home was, in that the main room here you can see from the kitchen through to the rest of the great room. And there's a see-through fireplace that I have right in the middle of the room with benches on either side so you can sit there and warm your back. And basically, I designed the house so I can see everything that's going on in the house from the kitchen. So although we lost our home, this is strangely homey because it is literally a small version of our house. Here's my pantry and wine storage. And that's the little sleeping loft we built for when families stay here. The kids can sleep upstairs over their folks on a little sleeping loft. As I said, we were not allowed with this property to expand it, but we figured out a way creatively to make it feel really big, even though it's actually quite small in its footprint. I want everyone to know that after our fire, which was obviously catastrophic,
Yeah.
So many friends wrote. I didn't know for days because I didn't have a phone for days. But Jacques and Gloria were the only friends that literally said we could go and live with them. We could go live in their guest house.
It was so nice.
It was so beautiful of you. Thank you so much, my friend.
Guest house too. Not as big as that one, but we have a little guest house.